summertime and get ready for some Korean drink.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen. So I'm live from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page and at the same time from Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram. So I was supposed to come within, around 7 p.m. but I have some work commitment. That's why I have to start the live early. So what is all about? So first of all, thanks to everybody that I had my pop-up was going on from 9 to 14. It was a really very successful in this crisis and situation. I did that pop-up really very well. So there was mutton halim and street food pop-up was going on. So street food was ডিম পাউরুটি, our Bengalis own, মানে আমাদের বাঙালিদের প্রচন্ড ফেভারিট চায়ের দোকানের মতন, খুব মানে একদমই স্পাইসি না, ঘুগনি আর তার সঙ্গে ডিম পাউরুটি. সো very soon I will share the video of that also, ডিম পাউরুটি and what is the speciality. অনেকেরই যারা অর্ডার দেয়নি কয়েকজন বলেছিলেন কি যে ডিম পাউরুটি কেন, ডিম পাউরুটি তো বাড়িতেই বানাতে পারি, ঘুগনি তো বাড়িতেই বানাতে পারি. It's nothing like that. It will taste almost like the street food. So it was a really good pop-up, and this week there won't be any pop-up. I need some rest, and at the same time I'm going to prepare some candles. This is a birthday candle. Birthday candle means birthday cake candle. That will be the replica of the cake. The candle will look like a cake. I will share another one more thing. I often got the call that what is the price of wax or gel wax or soy wax or wax color or mold I'm selling or not. No, I'm not selling because I'm an artist and basically I'm not selling any mold. I am a creative person. I have my business, that is the candle business. I make candle, and apart from this food I make candle and I make soap, and I don't teach candle or soap making because it is somebody else who can do it. You can learn, you can search in net and then you can, because I am doing it since 2003-4 I'm making candle and soap also. So this is what you know, trade secret I can say. So I can teach you the cooking, not the pop-up cooking. You can go through my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Every week I'm sharing the recipe and you can see in live also. You don't have to pay anything for that. What you have to pay when you are ordering food, that you have to pay, and that is the nominal charge. Okay, right now it's very hot, it's summer, so let me switch on my mini fan. This is what I have to do when I'll do the live cooking. Otherwise it's not possible because no AC, no fan inside my kitchen. Actually I don't have any AC. So what is that? And one more thing, there will be a pop-up in the next week, not this week, coming week. There will be a pop-up and there will be a surprise also. So stay tuned for that. And today I'm going to prepare a Korean summer drink or summer punch. It's a fruit punch, and the name of this, I think I will pronounce right, it's Hwachae. So Hwachae. Hwachae. This is the pronunciation. So being an Indian and Bengali, I think I am a bit similar. So why you can get it in internet, a little bit of that. So I'm not using lots of fruit. I will stick to the main ingredient, that is watermelon, because summertime watermelon will be there. So I prepare with that. But the main thing is that mainly this recipe, it is prepared with milk. So I am lactose intolerant. There are people who cannot consume milk, not food, milk. So if we have the dairy product like milk or paesh or just something like that, we cannot digest that. We will be sick. So so we cannot try it outside. So that is the twist. I am preparing this Hwachae but in a different way. So I am using this. Let me show you. This is almond milk. So instead of dairy product, I am using the almond milk. Those who are lactose intolerant like me, you can use the almond milk or you can use the soya milk also, and these are not sweetened, so you have to use the sweetener, that is condensed milk, if it's your fruits are not sweetened enough. So enough talking, let's go for the recipe and switch. No, flip the camera, not switch the camera, it's flipping. Let's go. I have to adjust my camera here. I have my fan basically, so I'm using mini fan, and here goes. I think you can see it properly right now. So this is what I have. So instead of milk, I am using almond milk. So that is, I am using, the brand is SoGood. I will tag it in Instagram also. If you want to use any other brand you can, but I already last year I prepared Mohabbat ka sharbat, and that time I used the soya milk of this brand, and it was quite satisfactory. And then we need Sprite. Sprite will be better, because if you search it, you can see in Korean also they're using the Sprite. You can use soda, but Sprite is better. If you do not get it in Korea also, if you can get Sprite in Kolkata or anywhere in India, you can get. So, and this is the watermelon, or in Bengali we call it tormuj. And this will be the chilled version. So I have lots of ice cube. And now what I will do, again I have to adjust it a bit, and I will scoop this. You can cut it also, if you want you can cut it. It will look better, that's why I'm using the scooper. I have the scooper, that's why I'm using the scooper. If you don't have, just cut it here. So basically it will look very cute. Hope it's visible right now. So I don't need the seed. Scoop it. And with this you can use mango, and then you can use pineapple, different kind of berries, blueberry, gooseberry you can use. So the scooping part is here, and you can serve in this if you want. Inside this watermelon you can serve it also. This is the quickest recipe I am sharing. And this watermelon is very sweet in taste, that's why I am not using condensed milk. If it's not sweet, you can use the condensed milk. Sprite has own sweetness. Enough, I guess. So you can see how juicy it is. And now I have this cute glass. You can serve it in bowl also. This is there are variations. So if you want, you can serve it in bowl and you can have it. As there is so much juice, I will add this juice in here. And then I will just mash it. This is like fruit punch, so eat and drink. Here you go. It looked better, and I wanted to taste it. Yeah, it's very juicy. I don't need any extra sweetener. And then we have to serve it chilled. So ice cube. Next part, instead of milk, I'm going to use the almond milk. Just a second, I have to clean the station. Yes. So you can see this is SoGood almond milk. And now just make a hole with this. And I will add this almond milk in this. So those who can consume milk, you can always have the normal milk, but as I said, we are lactose intolerant, so we cannot have normal milk. Almond milk is better for us. That's it. And then we have to stir it. I'm almost done, and now the Sprite. So So slowly it will have a sweetness and then fizzy flavor basically. So wait for some time. Oops. And I will scoop some more this watermelon and I will add it. So the watermelon. You see, the Korean drink, it is always not very tough. You can go to restaurant and have Hwachae, or else you can have it at home. It's very easy. So now you have to talk to me. It's time to talk to me. Flip the camera. You can see with a little bit of ingredient you can prepare anything. So this is going to be your Hwachae. Let me try it. It's yummy. Do try it. Actually, there is a flavor of almond because I am using the almond milk. If you're using soya milk, there won't be any sweetness, nothing. That will be a neutral taste. In almond, there will be a little bit of taste of almond. So you have to stir it and you have to drink it. So in summer, just be a Korean expert and try this recipe. And okay, so don't forget to follow Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and there you will get recipe, travel, candle, lots of things. And there is another page, that is MaddyBee. You can find MaddyBee in YouTube, MaddyBee in Instagram, and MaddyBee in Facebook also. So that is basically for candle, exclusively for candle and soap and handmade gift item. But you can go through Madhurima's Kitchen also, because that is the sister concern. That is both of them. It's my company, and you can have recipe, travel experience, more information, everything you can get from there. So I'm just signing off. I'm going to enjoy it, and do enjoy your Korean summer drink or fruit punch, Hwachae.